How to save profile picture on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your WhatsApp and then go to its settings from tapping on the three dot line from your top right corner. After that, tap on your profile icon. Now, you will see an option of camera button. Simply click on it. Now, go to gallery and then your gallery will be opened. Select the image that you want to put as profile picture. You can also adjust it using this crop feature and then simply tap on done. Now as you can see, your profile picture is updated. But if you want to save the profile picture, what you will have to do is simply tap on the profile picture, tap on the share icon and then share it to somebody, and from there you will get to save it in your gallery again. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.